Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if it's not your first time being here. As you see by the title, today I'm going to be trying to put a wig over my Microlocs for the first time. I think it turned out pretty good, to say the least. So today we're going to be working with DYHAIR777. Here's everything that came in the package. The wig looked pretty nice fresh out. It was shedding just a little, but nothing that was like something you should worry about. It was a 13 by 6, I believe, and it had a lot of space. I'm just gonna start by braiding my locks back because, I mean, that was the thing that made the most sense to me. And please be sure to moisturize your hair while you're braiding them back so that you're not like pulling and tugging, because I didn't have a retwist, so my hair was a little dry. And then once I got the braids done, this is what they look like. I'm going to add a little bit of oil because I told y'all I've got to make sure it's not dry. Then we force that cap on. Y'all see that one huge braid? It'll be a problem for us later. And then I just slick my edges back with that lock and twist gel and brush it back with the medium to hard brush. And I'm going to put another cap over that and spray it with spritz to try and hold it down. Of course, you have to cut the ear holes out. I've learned this on TikTok University. Bear with me. And I'm going to seal it with spritz to like make it stay down, I guess. And I'm going to put some makeup on it. I just used my regular foundation from Fenty Beauty in the shade 440, I believe. And I cut the cap with a razor and also the scissors. I was just like kind of all over the place with this. Bear with me, guys. And this is what the wig looked like fresh out the pack, and I just sprayed a little bit of mousse on it to pluck it. I have done a wig before, but it's been like at least 2 years, so. Remember I told y'all about that big braid that was going to be a problem? Yeah. No. So I ended up taking my braids out and just putting my hair into a slick low ponytail. And I only had one cap left, so I had to put the cap over that. Then we put the makeup right back on that cap, and I just need to pluck the wig a little more because it's a little bulky. I would suggest ordering it pre-plucked because I didn't remember how to pluck wigs, to be honest. But the lace is pretty good. It's thin. The knots were pretty tiny. And once I had the makeup to it, it like basically blended with my skin perfectly. Then I'm going to go in with this Tresemme Extra Hold, spraying it right where the lace is supposed to be. Let it dry for a second and then basically just press the lace into it. And I'm going to put my scarf over it. Have some kind of hold. I probably should have used Got2b spray, but I was working with what I had. And then you're going to notice me cutting layers in the wig because it is a body wave wig, so I kind of wanted to be layered. It's 24 inches. All the details of the wig will be in the description box below. Then I'm just going to add the curls in it, and you'll see eventually I'll brush them out. And please excuse my voice, guys. I've been a little stuffy over Christmas break. I'm just gonna comb the curls out, and you see it kind of gives like a wavy thing. And you see the lace matches pretty good, but obviously it's still needing more makeup, so I just put a little bit over it to, like, you know, make it disappear a little bit more. I added a little bit more curls because I didn't think it was defined enough. I wanted to look how it came out the pack, like body wave. So we just added a little bit more curls.
My body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body.
And then the video cut out on me cutting the edges and trying to style them, but I have a little bit of clips, so I really just put mousse on it and then brush it out with a comb. I couldn't find my edge brush, so I had to work with a rat tail comb, and that was very stressful. But I think it turned out okay, to say the least. And then these are the final curls. And that's the final style. Thank you so much, DY Hair, for working with me. Check them out in the description box below. And there's also a code for $10 off. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.